Ever wondered how people are making thousands from their laptops? Imagine sipping coffee while your phone pings with profits. Stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the secrets of trading for beginners. Let's dive straight in. What is trading? Trading involves buying and selling financial assets like stocks, currencies, or cryptocurrencies with the aim of making a profit. It's about predicting market movements and making smart decisions. Let's start with two main types of trading you can explore. Day trading is all about buying and selling assets within the same day. It's fast-paced and exciting. You need to watch the markets closely, looking for quick opportunities to make a profit. High risk, high reward. This approach is very active and requires constant attention and quick decision-making. Swing trading involves holding assets for several days or weeks to capitalize on expected market movements. It's less frantic than day trading, but still requires a good understanding of market trends and analysis. Swing trading is more passive, allowing you to spend less time glued to your screen while still taking advantage of market opportunities. Now, let's explore the different markets you can trade in. Stocks represent shares in a company. When you buy stocks, you're buying a piece of that company. The stock market can be influenced by company performance, economic factors, and market sentiment. Indices represent a group of stocks and are often more popular for trading than individual stocks. Trading indices like the S&P 500 or Dow Jones can provide broader exposure to the market and reduce the risk associated with individual stock volatility. Forex, or foreign exchange, is the market for trading currencies. It's the largest and most liquid market in the world. Forex trading involves predicting how currency pairs like euro-dollar will move. It's influenced by economic indicators, interest rates, and geopolitical events. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are digital assets. They're traded on various exchanges and can be highly volatile. Crypto trading requires understanding blockchain technology and market sentiment. It's a 24/7 market, adding to its unique challenges and opportunities. Ready to start trading? Here's how you can get going. Choose your market. Decide whether you're interested in stocks, indices, forex, or cryptocurrencies. Each has its own risks and rewards. Education is key. Before jumping in, understand the basics. Use resources like online courses, books, and trusted websites. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as we will be releasing more videos teaching you how to trade effectively. Open a brokerage account. Find a reputable broker that suits your needs. Look for low fees, good support, and easy-to-use platforms. Start with a demo account. Practice without risking real money. Get comfortable with the platform and develop your strategies. There are different strategies to help you succeed in trading. Technical analysis uses charts and indicators to predict future price movements. Fundamental analysis involves analyzing a company's financial health and economic factors. Sentiment analysis helps you understand the market's mood to make better trading decisions. Protecting your capital is crucial. Set stop-loss orders. A stop-loss order limits your loss to a certain amount, protecting your capital by automatically closing your position if the market moves against you. Trade with prop firm capital. Consider trading with a prop firm. This way, you can trade with their money, meaning your personal funds are not at risk. If you lose, it's their money, not yours. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. Trading is risky. Always be prepared for the worst. Your mindset can make or break your trading success. Stay calm. Don't let emotions drive your decisions. Stick to your strategy. Learn from mistakes. Every trader makes mistakes. What's important is learning from them and improving. Be patient. Profits don't come overnight. Stay committed and keep learning. Now that you have the basics, it's time to take action. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Money Mastery for more tips and tricks on how to master trading. Drop a comment below with any questions you have and start your trading journey with confidence. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself and your education. See you next time.